In this video, I will show you how you can fix EAFC25 crashing when entering squad battles. So the first step is you need to update the game. Let's say you have downloaded from the Steam, so make sure to update your game before launching. Next step is if you have updated your game, you need to make sure to verify its file integrity. To do so, you just need to head over to your library. Then you just need to right click on your game that you have and then tap on properties, and there you can find the verify integrity of the files. Make sure to do this as it will going to repair any kind of corrupted files. Not to mention, you have to make sure to use the updated graphic driver. So simply search for device manager. Once you search for this, you just need to go for the display adapters, right click and then tap on update driver. The last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply make sure to uninstall it completely from your device and then you need to reinstall it again.